Hey guys, welcome back to Asvi Be Creative. How are you all doing? Myself Ashwati. Today I'm gonna review Feb month Glamego Box. I know you guys must have already seen tons of review on this month box, but still I wanted to do my version of it. So let's get started. So Glamego Box is like monthly subscription box. So wherein we get like 4 products each month, and I will mention all the prices of like subscription plan somewhere over here. If you are like subscribing for like 6 months, you get this box for like just for $2.99, and you get like amazing products, like 4 amazing products, which would be like I think minimum triple the amount that we pay for the box. So let's start with the review. My Glamego box actually came in this kind of packaging, in that we get to see this cute little box, Glamego box, and if you guys look carefully, you can see that a lot many letters are over here. Since it is like Valentine's month, this box is like related to that. So what we need to do is like we have to find last or like middle name of our loved month and mark over here and mark it and click a picture and tag Glamego. Or if you are like someone like me who couldn't find your loved one's last name, what you can do is like you can write it over here and click a picture and put it in your social media and tag Glamego, and there is chances that you can win 10,000 rupees Shoppers Stop voucher, which is like amazing. So when I open the box, this is how it looks like, and there is like card, and also it has clearly mentioned the prices of the products in this card. So the very first thing I need to show you guys is this Choco Caffeine Glow Face Pack, which has got aloe vera and seaweed. For me it is like based for dry skin. Since I had like dry skin, they gave me this face mask. If you have like oily skin, they would give you accordingly. So which is like really good. So first of all, this face mask smell so good, exactly like a chocolate cake, which is like, I mean, like so tempting. Actually my daughter Ima wanted to eat this because she literally thought that this is like chocolate. So that's how amazing it is. And I applied it on my face and I could feel a tingling sensation, which at first I got a little worried, and then I read on the ingredients. I could see that the ingredients are like amazing. There is no parabens, and also they have clearly mentioned that there will be a tingling sensation, which we need not worry. So that's fine. So after 15 to 20 minutes I washed it with cold water, and I could see that there was a nice glow on my face. Just that obviously it's a skincare product, we need to use it continuously or religiously so that we could see like better result. It's not any magical product that would give a like instant magical transformation in just one go. So definitely I didn't expect anything more than this, and also it's not drying to our skin. So this product is for like $3.59, which itself covers the price of the box, which is like amazing. So all in all, I really like this face mask. So next product we have is this Kronokare Stop Face Protective Screen, which is like against pollution for face, and it's like suitable for all skin type. And also it is like very good because it's free from sulfate, mineral oil, paraben, fragrance and silicone, which is like really good. And this again has got really nice fragrance to it, and once we spritz it to our face, it gives it's just instantly freshens up, and it actually retails for like $4.95, which is like quite expensive, but then we get it with the box for just $2.99. I really like to appreciate the thought for this product because I haven't heard something like this before, and I think it is like much needed product right now because the pollution is like so much. I mean, I absolutely loved it. Next product is this Saffron Radiance face cream, which is actually mentions that it's like luxurious age defining formula, promotes natural fairness and youthful radiance by diminishing age spots and keeping fine lines at bay. Even I don't know why all these products mention about this fairness thing, which I absolutely hate. So let's keep that apart. This is like a very nice moisturizer. It is like very light moisturizer, which is something I absolutely love because I do not like thick moisturizer, and since it is like very light, it just absorbs into our skin really very easily, and it doesn't give any oiliness to our face. At the same time, it moisturizes our face really well. I think like minimum for 3 to 4 hours it's like nicely moisturized, which is something I really love, and it actually retails for like $5.50, which is again is like quite expensive. Really good. I absolutely love this. Last not the least is a product which we could choose actually any makeup of our own choice, which should be under 900, and I chose lipstick because I love lipstick, and this is a chubby stick from voste. Last Glamego box also I got like voste. That one was like lip gloss, which is something I really loved, and this one is like a chubby stick. And let me tell you guys, the shade is like really nice. It's in the shade Rose Crush 01. It has mentioned the manufacture date and expiry date, which is like really good. Packaging is like really cute and sturdy, and also the pigmentation is like really amazing. It does stay on for like good 3 to 4 hours, and it's not at all drying to our lips, which is like again too good. So all in all, I absolutely loved this chubby stick. So my most favorite product from all these four would be definitely this Choco face mask, and then this voste chubby stick. I will highly recommend you guys, if you are someone who would like to try out these kind of like skincare products and makeup products, you can definitely check this website out and subscribe if you would like to. I would highly recommend you guys to do so. So that's it guys. I really hope you guys must have enjoyed watching this. If so, give this video a big thumbs up, as well as subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Please do not forget to click that tiny little bell icon next to that subscribe button, so guys do not miss any of my videos. So see you very soon. Till then, it's bye bye, take care, love you all. Mwah.